Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track UTM campaigns on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So if you haven't done that, go there and get started with logging into your account. So you're going to need to go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not already have one, so go ahead and log in, and once you do, you are going to go and be greeted by this homepage right here of your website from where we can get started managing it. At the top of the screen, you're going to have the configuration tab, site, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to get started tracking our UTM campaigns with this documentation page right here on odoo.com, where you can open up the link tracker. So go to the documentation page on the official Odoo documents, and you're going to find this link tracker section with how to create traceable URLs. And this is going to go ahead and enable us to follow our campaign. So the specific campaign link, the link should be associated with, is going to be pastable right here in the link tracker, and this parameter is used to distinguish the different campaigns. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to copy the link of your UTM campaign and you're going to go ahead and paste it right here into the link tracker. Just like that, you're going to go ahead and be able to generate the link tracker, and using that link tracker you can go ahead and follow the UTM parameters and campaigns that you want regarding your website, and you're going to go ahead and be able to see all the stats. So that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.